For centuries, we saw them as majestic but simple beasts, giants of the deep, driven by pure instinct. We were wrong. Scientists are now making a discovery that is overturning everything we thought we knew about the minds of whales. They have culture. They teach, they learn, they share traditions, and they even have trends and fads that spread across entire oceans like viral videos. This isn't just animal behavior. It's the dawn of a new understanding of non-human intelligence, and it's forcing us to ask a profound question. How different are they, really, from us? Today, we journey into the mind of the whale. We will explore the groundbreaking evidence of whale culture, from the complex, ever-changing songs of humpbacks to the ingenious hunting techniques passed down through generations of orcas. This discovery is a monumental leap in our understanding of life on this planet. To join us at the forefront of these incredible revelations, make sure you are subscribed to Wonders and Facts and have activated the notification bell. You are about to meet the other intelligent species on Earth. The concept of culture was once thought to be exclusively human. It's defined as a system of behaviors, traditions, and knowledge that is passed down socially, rather than genetically. For decades, we believed animals were simply prisoners of their DNA. The first clue that this was wrong came from the songs of the humpback whale. Male humpbacks sing long, complex songs, especially during the breeding season. Scientists noticed something astonishing. All the males in a single population sing the exact same song, but the song is constantly evolving. Each year, they add new phrases and change the melody. Then came the bombshell discovery. A song from a population of whales in the East Pacific would, over the course of a few years, travel across the entire ocean, being picked up by populations in the West Pacific. It was a cultural revolution. The whales were abandoning their old traditional songs and adopting the new hit song from the East. It was a trend, spreading across thousands of miles, passed from one whale to another. A stunning discovery changed everything. Scientists found that a song from whales in the East Pacific could travel thousands of miles, spreading to populations in the West Pacific over just a few years. This was not instinct. This was learning, sharing, and conforming to a social norm. It was the first undeniable proof of culture in an animal. But the evidence goes far beyond music. In the waters off Argentina, orcas have developed a hunting technique that exists nowhere else on Earth. They intentionally beach themselves, launching their massive bodies onto the shore to snatch sea lion pups, then wriggle back into the water. This is an incredibly dangerous and complex maneuver that takes years to master. Scientists have observed mothers patiently and deliberately teaching this skill to their calves. They will push the young towards the shore, guide their movements, and even catch prey and release it for the calf to practice on. This is not genetic. It is a learned tradition, a piece of cultural knowledge passed from mother to child. What part of whale culture do you find most incredible? Their hit songs, their hunting schools, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if this new view of animal intelligence amazes you, please hit that like button. It helps more people discover this incredible story. Perhaps the most charming example of whale culture is the Salmon Hat fad. In 1987, a single male orca in the Pacific Northwest was observed carrying a dead salmon on his head. Within a few months, orcas from his entire pod, and then 2 other neighboring pods, were all doing it. They would carry the salmon around for a while and then let it go. There was no apparent reason for it. It wasn't for food or camouflage. It was, for all intents and purposes, a fashion trend. Then, after about a year, they all just stopped. The fad was over. This playful, seemingly pointless behavior is one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for a complex social world we are only just beginning to glimpse. But here's the secret, the profound and somber implication of this discovery. If whales have culture, it means each population is unique and irreplaceable. When we lose a population of whales, we are not just losing a group of animals. We are losing an entire culture. We are losing a unique dialect of songs, a set of traditions, and a library of knowledge that has been built over countless generations. It is the equivalent of burning down a library of books that have never been read. The fight to save the whales has now become a fight to save a civilization. The discovery of whale culture fundamentally changes our relationship with the animal kingdom. It blurs the line that we have drawn between us and them. It shows us that intelligence and society are not human monopolies. It forces us to look into the eye of a whale and see not a beast, but a being, with a mind, a history, and a future that is being passed down to its children. We are just scratching the surface of this new frontier. To continue exploring the incredible intelligence of the animal kingdom with us, Make sure you are subscribed to Wonders and Facts with all notifications turned on. And now I leave you with a final challenging question. If we recognize that whales have culture, does that mean they should be granted a form of non-human personhood with rights to protection?